This is a mirrored impulse. Somewhere at UPMC Shadyside in Shadyside, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. This is the Dover Oildraulic elevator with impulse fixtures. Hospital size cabin, 2-speed door, and there's gonna be a surprise in the elevator.
I heard you.
There's a PA elevator. Let's go up to 3. Into the door. Someone in that stairwell there. Last time we were here, this was either locked or not working. That's a thyssenkrupp controller. I don't know if this got monitors. No, I don't think it did. Maybe it's a Thyssen over here at 3.
Now the question is, where is it open?
That's just the hospital hallway. Welcome back down to 1. thyssenkrupp Ultra. Certificate. This was installed in 2000. I can't tell what that's. No, 2002. 88 phone. Installed by Marshall. It's a nice mirrored railing, mirrored there.
PA elevators you track.
Don't do that on camera. Sorry about that, guys.
PA elevators was here.
Now it's upside down.